Recently, a man was told to leave the mall for wearing a shirt that says Jesus saves. Watch this.
I understand that,
Right.
but Jesus is associated with religion and it's offending people.
No, it's not. Actually, it's not a religion. It's about eternal life.
Okay, but it's the same thing, okay? People have been offended, and like I said, all we were asking you is to take your shirt off, you can go to Macy's or we can leave.
I didn't say anything though. I didn't speak. I didn't speak. I didn't say anything. Just went to Macy's.
If you shop here, you need to take that shirt off.
This happened at Mall of America. The security guard told a guy to take off his shirt that says Jesus saves, or he would have to leave the mall. And he went as far as to say, if you want to shop here, take it off. This happened in Minnesota, not overseas. Now let me show you how God turned this around for the good. I'm sure the security guard didn't know what he was doing. Y'all know why I said that. Take a look at this headline. It says video goes viral. So thank you, security guard, for your offense, because God used it to spread the gospel. Millions of
If you have received the light, the way to sustain your light is to share that light. We have received the light of Jesus. You cannot keep that light. You must be lights for others also. And that is the best way. Because when the light of Jesus is kept only for yourself, eventually it is going to wither. It is going to be blown away.
Jesus chose you.
These drums here have been filled with all kinds of voodoo stuff from the witch doctors. And we're going to burn those in Jesus' name.